Look at this. Sun's peeking through. We got blue sky, guys. Woo! All right, you guys know what day it is? Quad day. Even though we got snow, Brad's happy. He's finally hanging out with me again. I got the quad going. I don't know if you guys recall last time we had it.
Okay.
But it was running perfect.
Barely running.
It was sputtering a little bit here and there. And then Brad got on it and it quit. And we tried everything. And so I took it to Extreme Toys. Thank God they have a clue what they're doing. But turns out it was some wiring issues and a safety switch. I think it was a TPS sensor.
Not once did they say it was Brad issues.
I think actually on the invoice something about
Not
Brad.
Once. Not once.
Yeah, so it cost me $200, but the video I made taking it to the dealership made $200, so I'm happy. But yeah, there's like a sensor in here somewhere. I don't know how this mechanical stuff works. We just break things.
We just break them.
Yeah, break them and bring them back. So should we see if this thing will start?
Let's do it.
Do you know how to start it?
Not a clue.
Maybe I should do it.
Yeah, you do it.
All right. So we use your handy dandy key here. You gotta turn on the kill switch and then the choke too. Fingers crossed. It works. You got the old gas in it, so. Run the old gas in it. Burns like a kid thing.
I'm good, yeah.
Sounds about right. All right. What has it been, 4 months? 4 or 5 months later.
Oh, here we go.
He's back and he's ready to break.
What?
He's ready to break it.
There we go.
Give her some gas. Pull the clutch in, give her some gas. Hold on. Throw it in neutral. Sometimes they don't like to start in gear.
Okay.
Hold on, you're probably still in gear. Oh, you got her in neutral.
Yeah.
Here we go. There you go. The dragon roars. Don't hit your truck. Give her gas. Let her spin.
What?
Give her gas.
I don't even know how to ride.
Give her gas. Don't let it idle like that. Like, get the tires spinning. Treat it like a rental. You You can't let off.
You
Just
put me on the roughest.
I know, you can't let off. You just keep powering through it.
Jesus.
You're gonna burn my clutch out.
All right, no, we're not.
When you're stuck in stuff like this, just slam your butt down and just give it gas and like let the clutch out.
Like we're stuck right on the ledge of the stuck.
That's fine.
That's fine.
I'll give you a pull. Get her going. There you go. Give her gas. Don't stop. Just keep going.
Oh my God.
This is why you break things.
You know what? Give me a smooth patch. It's like.
Here, get off. I'll get out for you.
No, I'm getting it over here.
Are you? Give her gas. There you go.
Oh.
Quit letting off. Treat it like a rental, just wide open. Yes! Oh, that was painful to watch. Hey, new guy, eh? City boy. He's afraid to beat on stuff. That's why I bought it. You got beat on it. Why are you beating on it? It's not mine! There he goes, ripping now. And he threw it neutral. Classic. I don't think he's coming back. How many times do you think he'll stall it on the way back? I would love to hit the ramp on that thing, but that ramp is definitely not wide enough for that quad. Be grinding up the frame all the way. Straight into the Chevy.
I'm afraid to do anything on this thing.
Little rough for him. Gotta get used to this rough stuff. This is what you race on. Ah! If it doesn't start,
What?
if it doesn't start this time, I'm gonna be pissed.
All right. Let's get her out of first gear now.
Alright, I'm gonna take her for a spin. I'm gonna throw the whiz mount on and do a lap. It's been a while since I did some track laps.
Good luck, buddy. You're not getting her back.
I think he's addicted now. What a beauty day. We lost our sun again, but it is fairly mild out today. I have no gloves on, not even cold. You look like an old pro.
I like her.
You look like Doug Gust out there.
This is it. I found my toy. Next week, we go from first gear to second gear.
And we'll take the choke off.
I tried over here and shut her down.
I thought you were gonna hit the ramp there.
I was going for it.
Yeah. Not enough
Nice.
sun today. All right.
Nice.
Take it for a spin. Feels good to be back. This thing throws snow everywhere though. I thought it was a good idea to use the whiz mount, but she got covered.
When you came by here, I thought, I'm getting hit here. I was just going to take it.
Yeah, take it like a champ. Well, you want to do one more run, then we'll shut her down for the day?
Let's do it.
All right. Yeah, she doesn't like to start in gear.
No.
Most bikes are like that though. One last run. Hopefully she starts for you. There you go. Put it in gear. That usually helps. Oh man. Really rough stuff. Huh. That goon riding is hard, especially in the winter and all this gear. It's not easy. I was trying to do some funny stuff, but you know, can only do so much. But glad we could get the quad out ripping. Got some good video footage. Hopefully we lose all the snow soon and we can get back into the normal videos. I'm gonna try and do 1 or 2 quad videos a week now. So keep you guys happy, keep the fans happy. Just tearing around in the mud. Round and round you go. She is definitely frozen down here. Good enough? That's it. Before you break anything?
Nice.
Well,
before I break anything,
did
got
you
a little 360 in?
Did you enjoy your first actual full ride?
This is it. Now we know I didn't break it last time.
I'll just send you the invoice.
I'll be hitting
those jumps.
Oh yeah. You hit the one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You might as well just clear all of them first go, eh?
If you're gonna do it,
do the whole thing.
do the whole thing.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we couldn't do any jumps or anything. It is slipperier than hell down here. So we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna go do some other stuff. Make sure you leave lots of comments and video suggestions. We got a bunch of cars coming hopefully soon. We're gonna do a derby, so if you guys have any suggestions for the cars, like tying them together, driving into Brad's Silverado, whatever works.
I'm just racing the Silverado.
Just racing the Silverado. We should jump that thing at the end of the summer.
We should, eh?
Do an insurance claim. All right, thank you guys again. We'll see you later.